Hello guys, today I will be talking to you about the electrical design for a pool. So imagine that you have a house. Oops, sorry about that. And that you have a house, something like this, and doing an elevation of that house. Here you have the pool. Something very simple. Imagine that you have here on the side of the house, you have what is the meter, and then you have inside the house, probably you have an electrical panel. Usually, in most residential pools, you will have an additional panel dedicated for the pool. So this will be your pool panel. I will tell you a little bit more at the end of this video, uh, a variation on what that panel can do. But for now, let's assume this is just a regular panel that it will act as either as a sub panel from the existing panel of the house, or it will be connected directly to this meter combo box. By the way, if you think that this video has some value to you, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. So what usually you can have within that pool panel is a connection to the GFCIs. You need to have, I'm going to represent it in red, you need to have a GFCI dedicated, or I mean close in proximity to the pool, about 25 feet from the pool equipment. Let's say that your pool equipment will be like right here. This is just the pool pump. That's the basic thing that you need, and obviously you're gonna need some lights. You need a GFCI outlet within 25 feet of your pool equipment. What else are you gonna put there? You have the pump, as I said. This pump is also connected to the pool panel. The ESCI is connected to the pool panel. This is 25 feet dimension. You will have the transformer lights. So within this panel, I'm gonna blow this panel a little bit uh, bigger here. Imagine this is that panel. Within that panel, you usually have a small transformer in the range of about 300 watts. Let me make it a little bit bigger outside. 300 watts. What this transformer does is that when the voltage from the meter combo, this is 120 to 40. The pool panel is also 120 to 40. But the transformer will take the 120 volts and will transform that voltage into 24 volts. This 24 volts is the one that most of the lights that you're going to be using in a residential pool will need. So that means that when you have your house like this, you're going to be putting your lights. I'm going to represent this in green now. You usually put the lights on this side of the pool. So it will be on the side that is, let's say, close in proximity to the house. Why? Because the lights will be showing or reflecting, not reflecting, but I mean, there will be light in the pool from this end of the pool. So if you are standing up here, you're going to be looking at the illumination of the pool, but you are not looking at the lights itself. You don't want to put the lights here because then you're going to be looking, yeah, the pool will be illuminated, but you'll also be looking at the lights. It's usually better if you put the lights in a way that it is kind of concealed, but at the same time, I mean, concealed from your view, but is illuminating the pool. So those lights, the ones that I'm marking green, will be fed out of these 24 volts. So again, if I can recap for now, we are having, I'm gonna put it in magenta, we are having a pump with a GFCI uh, protection. So this pump is connected to the pool panel. You also have the transformer lights, as I explained here at the bottom. Um, you may have a blower for the spa. If you have a spa in the pool, you may have a blower to act as air going through the pipes. And you may also have a heater. So all those elements will be connected to the pool panel. Now, oh, and I forgot, I also mentioned the receptacle, this EFCI receptacle that you're going to have also connected to the panel. The other thing that you're going to need within the electrical portion of the pool is that every pool needs to be bonded. What that means is that if I see a plan view of the pool, the same pool, let's say the pool is, I'm gonna put it in blue again. If the pool is like this, to make it simple, like a rectangle, you need to have a bonding, which is just a cable that is attached to the structure of the pool. When they build the pool and they put all the rebars before they put the shotcrete to do the forming of the pool, what is normally done is that you connect with a clamp a wire from 4 different sections of the pool. That wire is a number 8 copper bare wire, and you clamp at 4 different sections of the rebars, and then you close the loop like this, and you bring this one of the ends, you bring it to the pool equipment, what is also bonded, and then this one, the pool equipment, is bonded into the panel. Why do we do that? Well, all this area around the pool is considered an area that is I'm gonna let me see if I can. Oops. Is considered area with water, where water penetration will be around the pool, and you are trying to create a, an equivalent voltage around the pool, meaning like if there is the same voltage, whatever the voltage is, let's say it's 120 volts. If something happened, which let's say, let me draw it in blue here again. If you have a section of the pool right here, where you have a voltage of 120, and in another section just next to it, you have the same voltage, 120. If someone is walking between these 2 points, there is no current flowing through them. So it means that everything will have the same voltage and no current will be flowing between the legs of the person that is walking. However, if you don't have the same voltage, you have 120 on one side and you may have 100 on the next step, when you have a difference in voltage, current will flow through you if you're acting as a connecting point between those different voltages. I'm not trying to make this too complicated, but basically what happens when you do the bonding is that whatever difference in voltage may be around the pool, all the voltage will be the same. You are trying to you're trying to force that the voltage will be equivalent in all areas around the pool. That's what the bonding is for. But this is just in case that something has a fault, and and as I said, then it creates a difference in voltage. So it's a protection for you and the people using the pool. The other thing that I wanted to also to mention is that um, some panels may not be as simplistic as the one that I just shown here, where everything is just connected to a panel. They have some internet connection. They are smart panels, and then you can use your phone. You can use internet to turn on and off the lights from your phone. You can turn on and off the blower. You can turn on and off the heater and even the pump. You can also preset the heater with whatever temperature you want. You can put all the logic about when to start the engine, I mean the pump, when to turn it off. All those things can be done from different panels. As I said, that they are not just simple shoot panel for a pool, but they are called smart panels. If you didn't see the my pool design for the plumbing, which is a little bit maybe more complicated than this, even though if you don't know any electricity, maybe all this sounds a little bit complicated, but believe me, this is kind of like very simple. As I said, you only need to connect these few items to a pool panel that is connected from the meter combo. It's not that complicated. The I think is you need to elaborate a little bit more and be more careful when it comes to the plumbing. If you haven't seen that plumbing video, uh, check that on the screen, and I hope it will illustrate the other section of the pool. So now you should know what it takes to do the electrical and the plumbing. On another video, I will also show how the framing is done and the shotcrete is poured into the form of the framing, and things that you need to take into account to avoid any big mistakes while you are doing the frame. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you like it, uh, that it brought some benefits to your new design. If you have any question, feel free to call us or to leave a comment. And again, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.